Yo, what's up boys? Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can achieve 4K quality like Topaz on mobile. And in this video, I'll be comparing three software's qualities side by side. So now you don't have to be worried about your edit's quality. So let's cook with me.
If you don't know where you can get free high-quality scene packs or Twixtor clips, then you should watch this tutorial. In this tutorial, I've explained where you can get high-quality clips and raw clips for your edits.
I saw a piece of heaven waiting.